Hey guys, welcome to another video, and today I'm gonna do something a little different. Remember last time we played this mind reading app, and I said, well, you could check that out. It's called This Is Amazing, and I said that they want me to say Denmark, but I just thought of another one. So let's check it out. So I got it right here, and let's get started and see what happens now. Yeah, okay, so let me do 50. Double sum 100 at 808. Multiplied by 9. 972. I think it was that, right? Added it together, 972, so 16, 17, 18. So 8 plus 1, 9. So 9, subtract by 4. Okay, so D, Dominican Republic. See that, guys? No way they're gonna guess that now. No way. Make a note of the last one. So let's skip that part. Oops. God. Okay, I dropped something. Chair and make a note of the last letter of this country. So let's skip that. It was Denmark. Okay. Oh. Okay. Kiwi. It's an animal in Australia. It's like a bird. Okay. There's no way they're gonna guess it now. But so yeah. Pick a color that starts with this letter. I. What? I. Colors that start with what's up with no, that's L. Try this color. Okay. Oh, what was that? This came out of my mouth. Okay. C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, M, N, O, Q, R, S. No, wait. I skipped it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Okay. Indigo. I forgot about that. Indigo. Okay. Okay, yeah, okay. Let's do indigo. That's, oh, wait. Yeah, okay. Oh. So, indigo. Ha! You're right! They didn't guess it. They did not guess it. Wow. They probably just always say the orange category live in Denmark. So, it's this video. How long is it? Okay, that's pretty short actually. Let's try another mind reading website. You guys want to do that? Sorry. Mind reading website. Mr. Almighty. Mind reading. Skip that. Your question? Can I click on this? I don't know what this is. Let's get out. And the original Flash Mind maybe later. Select. Okay. And choose. choose any, I put this right there, then you can see him like right. Choose any 2-digit number, add together both digits, and then subtract the total from the original number. So let me pick 80. So 80, add them both together, then that's just 8, subtract the total. Okay, so 8 minus 80, so that is 72. When you have the final number, 72. 72. When you have the final look of a chart and find the list, concentrate on the symbol, and when you have it clearly in your mind, click on the crystal ball. Will show you the symbol you are thinking of. So it's the moon with the star, guys, okay? So, moon with the star. Oh my god! They got it! 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 Wow. How? There must be some, but no, I was thinking about, okay. So anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed. Remember to subscribe and bye.